Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the love reading for the week of 4th January 2021 and I'm using the Romance Angels Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So let's see what our relationships have in store for all of us. And the card just came out. Past life relationship. So the card means that you are encountering someone in your life with whom you've shared a past life, with whom you have a very, very strong karmic connection. So someone in your life who you've known before. Now, I know this is a love reading, it's a relationship reading, but I feel this could not only be your partner, this could be anyone. So you're going to find someone with who uh, not find someone now. Maybe this person is already in your life, or this week you might that person might come back, someone from your past, and I feel this person will have a very, very strong karmic connection with you. Like there is some debt left between you and this person. And now again, I said this could be any relationship, parents, children, friends, anyone, not just your partner. It could be your partner also, but any relation. I feel some some debt is left between the two of you and it has to be repaid. Now how that will come about, we don't know, but you will know this person doesn't leave your life. You'll know that this person somehow comes back in some form, some way, and you know there is always some major connection. Now this connection could be good, this connection could also be a very difficult relationship. So keep in mind that it's not always when you get things like past life connection, soulmate, twin flame, that it's hunky dory and it's the best relationship. No, it can be a very tough relationship also, because anything karmic, you have to pay that debt, or the person has to pay that debt, karmic debt, to you to make that relationship equal, or let the universe get a balance in that relationship. So that is required. So some person around you has that karmic connection, and this person will not go away till you learn something from this. Or this person might be there as your guide. It might be a person who comes back in certain intervals of a time, only when you need them. So there is some sort of connection. So understand very, just think about it. Who is this person? Try and be a little, just see things through this week, that who is this person in my life? What am I learning from this person? Do I need to do something for them? What is that is required here of me? So once you understand these connections in your life, you'll realize who matters, who doesn't matter, and for your soul growth. So of course you will have your duty towards your partner, towards your parents, towards your children, but there will be certain people who you will have a soul connection with. Now this could be completely any random person, not related to you by blood or by vows or marriage. No, it could be random people. It could be a person you met, say, once in your lifetime, but that person changed the course of your life. So just think who this person is. Now it could also be someone completely new. Some person just randomly shows up. It could be your co-workers, it could be your employees, anyone. So just think through that, who is this person with whom I have some connection. Like you'll feel that this person is always there, or there is something supernatural happening with this person and me. So just think who this person is. So some sort of debt is remaining with this person, and you need to complete it this lifetime. So let's wait and watch what it is, because again, this is going to be a very general reading, so it really depends on your personal situation. Let's see the next card. Honeymoon. So it's going to be with your, now let's come back to the love reading. So it's going to be a honeymoon period for some of you. Some of you might enjoy like a good holiday time together, bliss of being together, having fun, romance. So this week is all about that, enjoying with each other, romantic nights, date nights. I'm getting all those vibes. So this card simply says that it's as simple as that it's going a very nice, fulfilling, happy time with your partner, with someone you're already paired with. This could also mean for singles that you're going to find that special someone. It could mean that you've recently just met someone and you are in that honeymoon phase. So this week I feel is going to be very nice, very rewarding time with your partner. So let's see the final card. Okay, so I'm taking out another card with this because it was coming out, so I'm just going to so there are two cards. Sorry. Love yourself first and stay optimistic about your love life. Now a lot of messages. Now the angels are telling me that you need to, in your partnership, you need to respect yourself a lot. The card says, it says your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So if some of you are losing confidence in a relationship, in yourself, not the relationship, if you're losing confidence, or you feel that your partner is not giving you attention, or you started feeling that I'm not good enough for this person, then you know that your partner will automatically lose interest in you. So make yourself more confident, make sure that you know your worth and you know why this person is with me, because I know I am decent enough, I know that I am a good person, or I am physically attractive, you know, whatever. So you have to stop demeaning yourself in your partnership. You know, whenever you're with a person, a lot of people say, you know, I'm so lucky I found this person, you know, I don't even deserve them. But I always say, please do not say that. There is a reason why they are with you or you're with them, because first of all, it's a situation where the universe has brought you guys together. Secondly, always know that you are good enough for any person around you. So that's why this message is saying that self-love in your partnership is important. As long as you don't love yourself, you can't love another. So you need to have so much love for yourself that only when that love is that confidence, that love is within you, that you'll be able to give it to someone else. If not, you'll always be insecure and you'll not be sure about the partner, and it will ultimately ruin a partnership. And the second one says stay optimistic about your love life. So like I said, if you're feeling that, you know, your partner is not giving attention, or you know, things are not working out, be a little positive. You know, the more you'll start loving yourself, the more confident you'll get, and you will be busy in your own life. I feel that your partner will automatically be, you know, after you. So it's important to be focused and love yourself, and only then your, you know, love life, your partnership will start getting better. So keep that in mind this week. So I hope this made sense, and if you want a personal reading, please send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.